David, a 40-year-old architect from Berlin, Germany, was visiting Cairo, Egypt for a business conference. He hadn't been to the dentist in a while, and his once bright smile felt a little dull. Concerned about the cost of dental care abroad, David hesitated to schedule an appointment. Unlocking the power of the Circle Cares dental package. The Circle Cares dental package in Egypt provides everything you need for a complete dental refresh at an unbeatable price. For only $100, your package includes X-ray. Identify any potential underlying issues with a detailed X-ray. Cleaning and polishing. Remove plaque, tartar, and stains with a professional cleaning and polishing session, leaving your teeth sparkling clean and feeling smooth. Embrace a radiant smile in Egypt, ready to rediscover your brightest smile and leave Egypt with a renewed sense of confidence? Schedule an appointment with the Circle Care today and take advantage of their unbeatable dental package.
You can also ask about stretch marks, scars, cellulite, and removal varicose veins removal. Session price range from $30-$60 USD. Only you can find this price in Egypt. Reverse the gravity with the Circle Care your medical advisor in Egypt.
Then Egypt is calling your name. Get ready for an adventure that will tantalize your taste buds, transport you to a bygone era, and leave you shaking your hips with a smile. This land is a treasure trove for history buffs, beach lovers, and foodies alike. Welcome to our channel for medical facilitation. For more of medical packages in Egypt, follow, like and share our channel The Circle Care for Medical Tourism.